Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a budget-friendly way to change up your decor using these $1 pillow covers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I picked up 2 in the color black and 2 in the color charcoal gray. They're 18 inches by 18 inches. The quality is good for $1. It's nice and thick. The zipper is thick, and I'm just pleased with it. So for those of you who are like me on a budget and trying to plan for the future, I just want to show you this budget-friendly way to change up your decor if you're not interested in spending any extra money like myself. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I share budget-friendly content like this, showing you ways to decorate your home on a budget and it still look nice. So I really like this pattern on these pillow covers. It's very pretty to me. So yeah, that's what I'm doing in this video. So this is the gray. My husband said he really likes it. He didn't know it cost $1, but he said he likes it. So yeah, if you're interested in budget-friendly content like this, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. Tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So this is the black, and I really like it. So I want to go ahead and thank everyone who tuned in to this video. Check your local Dollar Tree to see if they have these pillow covers if you're interested. Remember, you can always go online and order them, but I think you have to order at least 12 and they'll deliver them to your store. And check the description box because I am a Dollar Tree affiliate. So click that link in the description box if you're interested in ordering online. Have a good day.